Hi guys, solving issues with browsers. It's one of the things I explain my students, because what happens if you can't go to the internet anymore, right? No fun. So in this case, the problem is Vivaldi, but it could be Google Chrome and it could be any of the browsers. The thing is, I have a strange message here I'm trying to kill. A new extension was added by another application. I went into the extensions, any browser has that, extensions, and I took a look at what I have, and I've removed everything, almost everything that I say, let's try this. DuckDuck privacy, LastPass for my passwords, and this is something for Belgium, my DigiPass, right? So the thing is, I want to get rid of my error that's in there, and this seems to be working, I think, right? It's gone, the message up here. This is my search DuckDuckGo, so it might have been my EEED. But let's continue the exercise. If you have a problem, you start from scratch. In Windows, it means that there's a hidden folder, app data, that you need to get to. In Linux, it means you need to go to also hidden folder somewhere, right? Somewhere there might be a reference to things that you use, like VS Code here, and Mozilla is here, and Vivaldi will have one as well. At some point in time, you'll find it and say, okay, I'll start from scratch, and that's basically it. Or you say, I'm deleting everything, or you just say, I'll make a backup, right? And if you launch it again, to Ctrl-Alt-V or something else again, then it is coming in as being, hey, welcome, first visitor, we've never seen you before, welcome to Vivaldi, and let's go. And then you just go and do the settings that you like. I'm not gonna do that, and want a dark, continue, top is always best, all on top, and start browsing. There you go. And we have now back a setting, and this one and that one, well, we can compare this. And melt actually exists on Windows too, so you can do that there too. I just discovered that recently. And here's some things. What are the differences? Maybe you realize you had a adware, you had spyware or whatever extension that you tried and installed and had problems with. Now in Windows there's also, next to program files, program data, I think, out of my head. And there as well sometimes things hide, weird settings that you want to get rid of, right? This is certainly something I want to get rid of, all these things. But thing is, find out where is the possibility, where's the possible files that I have. In Windows in app data, there's also program data, and there is here the .config and of course the dot something like .vs code. And that's how you investigate things, delete things or rename things, make a backup of it, maybe even reboot. We have not done that, recording, right? But that's how you solve things. Clean slate, reinstall the application would be also a tip for Windows. Guys, say, okay, get rid of the application, get to the source, like the company who actually creates Firefox and Mozilla and so on. So the original source, maybe you've downloaded somewhere not safe. All right, that's it for tips. Cheers.